Alright, couple of pickups from Tractor Supply. First is this 2-pack of magnetic reachers. One has a larger head, smaller head. $4.99. The brand is Barnstar, and made in China. I don't see some kind of item number. The small one picks up 8 pounds, the larger one up to 20, but I doubt that. Well, that's the number. I guess 135-7221. Next up, a novelty piece. This holds your bits. I'm guessing that's the item number, 236-2621. Made in Vietnam. I don't know if this is like a hard plastic or maybe rubber like, but they're bits. And maybe a magnet in it, or I don't know. So from Tractor Supply, get them while they still have them.